San Diego day 2, let's get dressed for the day. So I have this really pretty dress. I think I'm gonna wear this dress with some like gold jewelry. I really struggling with my hair because it doesn't look like I want it to. I tried curling it, but I don't know why it got flat all of a sudden. I didn't wash my hair last night because it wasn't to the point where I needed to wash it. I didn't even bring dry shampoo. I was going to. I literally was thinking about bringing dry shampoo and like se me olvidó. Like it didn't cross my mind after that, and I knew I was missing something. Let's put this dress on. I'm gonna put on some jewelry, so let's do that right now. These are the only earrings I brought on this trip, so we're gonna wear these ones. That's like this little like gold hoop. I have this pearl necklace that I wore yesterday. I'm gonna put this one on too, and then yeah, I think I'm just gonna do like up to like, because I'm not gonna stress about my hair right now.